Oil change time. Oil filter, 40mm tool to remove filter. This goes together with this 3/8 40mm too, just in case. Slide pan down there. 40mm. Let's get down. Under passenger side, that bolt right there. 40mm lefty loosey. Lead oil drain. That is oil filter. We're gonna try to get it from underneath. This is what setup looks like to remove filter. This is new one. Put pan under oil filter because that happens when you loosen it. Let oil drip until you can finish getting it off. Fill new oil filter with oil. Do it until it's completely full. Also lubricate O-ring with motor oil. Oil filter back tightened. 40mm bolt back. Don't over torque. Funnel. Make sure it's clean. Oil. Should read to F full. Like this. Perfect. Close. Back. Remove. Close. Reset maintenance light. Make sure trip A off, press auto trip and keep pressing as you turn ignition back to on position. You're done. Next time, bye.